Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. What is going on, Docs Gang? It's your boy, and today we're gonna be doing a Playboi Carti type beat. Today we're gonna hop on Atmosphere, hop on Nexus. We're gonna hop on Electra, look for a dope melody to do a Playboi Carti type beat with. And yeah, I'm still to this day waiting for his new album to drop because I've grown to really enjoy Playboi Carti's music because they are very, very lit. So yeah, let's get into it. But before we do that, first you gotta like the video, share it, and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch and Instagram. Links are in the description, all that stuff. And yeah, it should be pretty damn fun. So let's get into the video. All right, Alright, cool. So I'm just gonna go on Electra because not Electra, basically the preset bank is just godly. So we're gonna look for a sound there and find something, so let's do it. Let's find a different sound. Let's pick a better one. Wait a minute. This is
ass, titties, ass and titties, ass, titties, titties, ass and titties, ass, titties, ass and titties, ass, titties, titties, ass and titties. Big booty bitches that's wearing guests. Come on, ho, let's go to the easy rest when I see ass.
okay. Found a little something. Okay. I used this Tetris preset in the basically a preset bank. It sounds pretty cool. It actually has kind of like an Oriental vibe to it. You know what I'm saying? Like one of those like Japanese type trap beats. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's kind of interesting. I'm gonna look through more sounds because I only went through like 3 sounds to get to this one. So yeah, let's listen to it, shall we? That like I don't know. That one just like makes me want to get up and go do something. I don't know. That probably made no sense, but I mean, yeah, that's what I got so far. But we're gonna go through more sounds because that one kind of like, I don't know. I feel like there's more that I could do. So maybe I'll probably have like what's it called, like a counter melody. Actually, no, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a counter melody. I'm gonna make a counter melody. See if I like anything else.
Titties, ass and titties, ass, titties, titties, ass and titties. Big booty bitches that's wearing guests. Come on, ho, let's go to the E.
Okay, guys. All right. Look. I have finally found a melody. It took me so long that I had to take a whole nap. I kid you not. I literally took a nap. I got so tired of looking for melodies that I took a nap. And I came back and I found one. Okay. So I'll show y'all. All right. So here's what it sounds like. So, just a quick rundown. I chose this Dirty Birds drums, or Dirty Birds preset, and this is the pattern, you know what I'm saying, standard stuff. And then I went to the mixer thing, and then I put on Girls Beat, half speed, of course, you know how we do, always gotta have the half speed. And then I just turned down the mix level to about, what's this say? Like 70%? It's about 70%. And then it gives you, because it's an arpeggio, so it kind of gives you that slowed down part of it and the regular, you know what I'm saying, arpeggio speed or whatever. That's probably a really bad explanation, but you'll get what I mean. But yeah, that's what I have right now. So I'm gonna see if I can, you know, add a nice counter melody. I do want to use a flute, but that's just so like that's just so like low-key unoriginal, and I did that in my last video, so I'm probably not gonna do that. So I'm gonna look for another sound in Electra. So yeah, let's do it. Alright y'all, Jesus Christ, oh my god, my camera, everything is just going to right now, okay? But anyway, I finally have my counter melody done. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna stop talking because if something else goes wrong, I'm gonna okay, here it is. Yeah, that's what I got so far, and now I'm gonna move on to the drums before I waste any more freaking time. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go on to the drums. All right, I'm gonna just start with the 808s because I mean, yeah, as you can tell, I already have them down, whatever. So should be fun, shouldn't it? Let me chill out. It's not done yet. It's not done yet, okay? We're gonna do the kicks, okay? I'm gonna put down the kick. Y'all already hear it. I'm not even gonna skip speed. I'm not even gonna speed it up. Y'all already hear it. So let's move on to the hi-hats now. Okay, hi-hat pattern is done. It's sounding very, very, very lovely. Okay. Here's what it sounds like. Guys, honestly, I'm afraid to put down the snare now. I'm afraid because if my house burns down, it's over for me. There's no more videos, no more YouTube, nothing. Okay, if I continue to cook this fire, bro, it may get out of control. But I'll try and, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try and chill out. All right, I'm gonna chill out. Let's just try and do this slowly, okay? Let's find this. Let's put the snare down, okay?
3 weeks later.
All right, you guys, the beat is finally finito. Okay. Turned out pretty well, in my opinion. You let me know what you thought of the beat in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? What are you doing? Just subscribe. It's easy. It's free. You know what to do. Just hit the red button. It's not hard. Just do it. All right? Do it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitch. Links are in the description. All right, I'm starting a new Twitch channel. So go ahead, follow me on Twitch. It's Unorthodox Gaming 97. And my Instagram is just Unorthodox Beats with a Z. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you for getting me to 6.1 thousand subscribers. It's insane still. I don't really know how I got here, but yeah. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.